All right, guys, next up we've got break number 10 of 2020 Super Break First Time Multi-Sport Edition. You've got one graded buyback card per box, mix of some of the best names in baseball, basketball, football, hockey, soccer. So some really cool names and cards that you can find in here. So it's a random last name letter break. Every spot gives you 2 random last name letters. So using 20 total letters on this. So Gerald, you've got 3 spots in this. Deborah C with 1, Kyler's got 1, Brian W's got 1, Alan C with 1, and then David B's got the last 3 spots. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the letters. All right, so 2 letters per spot. Let's mix this up 5 times as well. All right, here we go. So Alan, you've got last name letters T and S. Brian's got G and L. David's got B, J, M, C, Y, and E. Cockroach? Huh? Deborah, you've got D and P. Gerald, you've got R, K, N, W, V, and H. And then Kyler, you've got F and A. All right, so there are your letters. All right, good luck, guys. Still working through this case. We've seen some LeBrons pop out of here. Oh, speaking of, dude, we got a LeBron James rookie here. 2003 Upper Deck. It's from the box set, and it's a PSA 7, which isn't all that impressive, but it is a LeBron rookie. So last name letter J, and David, that's you, man. Nice hit there. Cool hit, man. This product is loaded with LeBrons, it looks like. So we'll get that card in the mail tomorrow. We'll do another box of this coming up hopefully on Saturday night.